There are many products available to choose drill, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best drills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt DC-D701 F2 Xtreme 12 volts max brushless 3/8-in drill driver kit. The DeWalt DC-D701 F2 Xtreme 12 volts max brushless 3/8-in drill driver kit combines power, comfort, and convenience in a way that none of the other tested drills do. In our tests, it bored 31-inch holes through a 2x-10 on a single battery charge, showing it can handle just about anything within the four walls of a home, and even the occasional foray into more aggressive work, like a small decking repair. Other drills we tested had similar power, but the DeWalt DC-D701 F2 really excels in ergonomics and convenience features. The molded handle seems to account for every curve and bulge of the hand. The battery is designed so that the drill can stand upright when not in use. Other drills, like the runner-up Bosch PS312 at 12 volts, need to be placed on their side, and the LED is positioned so that it illuminates the drill front better than most. Number 2. Bosch PS312 at 12 volts max 3/8-in drill driver kit. If the DeWalt DC-D701 F2 is overpriced or unavailable, we also like the Bosch PS312 at 12 volts max 3/8-in drill driver kit. In our tests, this 12-volt Bosch couldn't drill as many 1-inch holes on a single charge as our top pick, but it still has more than enough power for general home tasks. In our own measurements, we found it to be about 5 ounces lighter than the DeWalt DC-D701 F2, but it feels heavier because the balance isn't as nice. The Bosch battery slides up into the handle, making the grip fatter and not as contoured as the DeWalt's. Also, the LED doesn't illuminate as well. Even with these drawbacks, we've been using and recommending this drill for years, and we've seen firsthand a long track record of reliability. Number 3. DeWalt DC-D800E2 20 volts max XR brushless cordless 1/2-in drill driver kit. If the Milwaukee 18-volt drill is not available, or if you have other 20-volt DeWalt tools and batteries, we also like the 20-volt DeWalt DC-D800E2 20 volts max XR brushless cordless 1/2-in drill driver kit. It's very similar to the 18-volt Milwaukee in power, ergonomics, and overall design. The DeWalt lasted a little longer in our battery test, and it has an LED that can also be switched on independently of the drill and slightly rotated, a unique feature that turns it into a rudimentary flashlight, which could come in handy in nearly any crawl space. The light is neat but not necessary, so we prefer the typically less expensive 18-volt Milwaukee, which is a little shorter and delivers roughly the same power and battery life. Number 4. Milwaukee 3601-22 CTM 18 compact brushless 1/2-in drill driver kit. If you take on projects that have you drilling lots of holes and sinking long screws, we recommend stepping up to the Milwaukee 3601-22 CTM 18 compact brushless 1/2-in drill driver kit. This 18-volt drill shares the most important characteristics of our less powerful top pick. It's extremely comfortable to hold and use, and the little convenience features, such as the belt hook and lead, are spot on. It's also extremely short, shorter than even any of the 12-volt tools we tested, so it fits into tighter spots. Compared with our 12-volt Milwaukee pick, this larger drill completes tougher jobs much faster, doing the same work in less than half the time with a battery that lasts a lot longer. We tested drills during a kitchen remodel and a few smaller house renovations, and this is the drill we reached for over all the others. Number 5. Ridgid R87000 and 12-18 volts brushless SubCompact cordless drill driver kit. The budget-friendly Ridgid R87000 and 12 performed great in our tests, but it had a harder time with relentless drilling than our other 18 and 20-volt recommendations. If you're looking for more power and battery life than what the 12-volt models provide, but you're hesitant about the cost of the 18-volt Milwaukee and 20-volt DeWalt drills, We recommend the Ridgid R87000 and 11218 volts brushless subcompact cordless drill driver kit. It doesn't have the same strength as the other two, but it has enough power for most mid-size DIY projects, such as light framing. We see it as a good drill for someone starting out on the DIY road who might want a decent drill at lower cost. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.